If you want to use Link to Windows on a Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, then in that case, unfortunately, we have to download the app because for some reason Link to Windows is not included by default on a Nothing Phone 4a and on a Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So if you go to the Play Store, over here we can easily search for Link to Windows, and then you should be able to download and install the app. Of course, now we need to wait for the app to be installed once you start downloading it, and once it is, you want to open it. And after opening the app, over here we just have the option to sign into your Microsoft account, or you can sign in using the QR code from your Windows. Of course, make sure that you grant the access to the camera. And I think this is the most suitable option, or the most convenient one. And in order to get a QR code, you need to open the Phone Link app on your Windows computer. So once you open the Phone Link app, over here we should be able to click on Android, and then you will generate a QR code that you need to scan with your phone. And then once you scan, you will have a 6-character code that you will need to enter on your phone. Of course, it's going to display on the Phone Link app on your computer, so you need to enter it over here. And there is also a possibility that you will have to go through like an additional verification step, so be sure to do that as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.